So guys, we're gonna go home now. We're gonna take a taxi. Yep. So hot here in the Philippines, guys. So no worries because you know we live here in the Philippines, so we can handle the hot of the winter. Yep. So that's why a lot of other countries like foreigners visit here in the Philippines because very cheap the food, cheap to them. Yeah, but for us, it's not cheap, no, because our salary it's not very higher, not a lot of salary here. So, but foreigners. Okay, taxi now to going home. Okay. Sa mani, asa ko? Oh wow, ako diri sa pinakaatubangan. My God. Wait. Okay. Woo! Yes. Yeah. So guys, we are here now inside the taxi. Where? Okay. Okay guys, we're here now inside the taxi with Kuya. Say hi, Kuya.
Hi.
Good morning. Oh, good morning. Say to Kuya, yes. So, kagagaling lang namin doon sa restaurants. Of course, so like, so a little bit tired, guys, because from Lapu-Lapu going to City of Cebu. Oh my God, 8.5 kilometers from Lapu-Lapu going to Cebu, Ma'am Janice, right? And then we still walking we're still running and walking, and then oh my God, it's 12 kilometers. We add that. All in all, it is 12 kilometers. Wow. So it's easy for us to run like 6 kilometers. Saan sa dito nga fan, Ma'am Janice? Katong imot mo daganta mo run tag oh wow, Cebu. Cebu Cooperative. Yeah, run.
It's coming December 16.
Oh my God. It's for 6 kilometers. December 15. So we run for that. So it's easy for us because 6 kilometers. Because we reach for that 12 kilometers. So thanks, yeah. Ayan, balik na kami sa titirahan namin kung saan kami nakatira. Ayan. Kanina, naglakad kami dito, walking, running. So, oh my God, too far. But thanks God, we reached the 8.5 kilometers. And then we add for 12 kilometers to go to El Corso. So, all in all, is 12 kilometers. Tingnan nyo guys kung gaano kataas, gaano yung nilakaran namin, saka dito kami nagranan po. Tingnan nyo guys, napakataas. See? So by the next time, we're gonna planning to back and forth this like running and walking from Lapu-Lapu going to City of Cebu, and City of Cebu going back to Lapu-Lapu. So that's what we are planning for the next time. So we will see, guys. So we just only believe ourselves so that we can reach our dreams to be true. Sana all. Sana all. Dream big. Don't dream small. Char. That's what I've heard. Di ba day sa ingon sila day ba mag-dream jud day kuno tag big day. Don't dream small. Yeah, tama yan. Napakaganda yung yung sinasabi na don't dream small, dream big, and don't stop dreaming because if you dream, it's nice, right? Because we can pay for that. It's free. And it's really nice to work with our dreams to be coming true. Yan. Dito kami naglakad kanina, guys. Ayan. Tumakbo at saka lumakad. Just, tingnan mo guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Napakalayo. Ayan. But wow. Na-reach namin yung pinaka-finish line. Titingnan nyo. Napakalayo, right? Ang taas-taas at saka malayo. 8.9 kilometers that you can reach the finish line. See? Inaya namin. So, believe in yourself, guys. That's very important. If you have your dream to reach the finish line, char. Believe in yourself. That's very important. So, see? Napakalayo. Tinakbo namin yan. Tumakbo kami dito, guys. Ayan. So, sa susunod, guys, yan. Magbaback and forth kami dito. Mula sa Lapu-Lapu, papuntang City of Cebu. And then, City of Cebu, going to Lapu-Lapu again. Yeah, back home. Going back home. So, yung sasakyan ng kasamahan namin dito, si Ma'am Janice. Ayan. At saka yung motorbike ni Ma'am Sharon, yan. Then, ano nila doon sa Petron. May mga ano kasi sila mga sasakyan at saka motorbike. Tapos kaming dalawa ni Rowella, sige tayo, sakay na lang tayo na lang dalawa. Hayaan na natin si Ma'am Sharon na kasi malakang kasama eh. Ayan. So, ayan. Sasakay lang kami sa mga namin, sa mga shoes namin ni Rowella. Sasamahan ko to yung isang kaibigan ko para may kasama naman siya. Yan. Tingnan mo guys, kung gaano kalayo. See? Nilakad namin yan. Tinakbo namin to. Yan. So, dapat talaga pag tatakbo tayo dito guys, dapat maagang maaga. Kasi open dito 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. Kasi mainit-init na eh. Mainit na pag tatakbo ka ng late na. So dapat 4:30 nandoon ka na kasi may line kasi yun eh. Sino ang first, yun ang pinaka first din tumakbo. So tapos magsulat mo yung name mo, yung female ka ba or male, saka yung age. Siguro para malaman nila kung sino ang tumakbo papunta dito. Kasi para sa naman yun, sa kaligtasan natin. So ang sarap ng feeling guys na na-reach natin yung gusto natin yung gusto natin tumakbo, tumakad or what we want for your life. So for me, I'm so very happy for now as I have my supportive friends that they believe me that I can walk, I can run, even I'm in the right age na, but they're still believing me. So that's very important. And I have my children that they believe me too. And I have na. Okay. So bye for now guys. Because I'm getting lobat na. Okay. Okay guys, we're here now.
Indot kayo ang vlogger kay energetic kayo.
Oh yes. So just subscribe me Kuya Ellie Betty for my vlogs. Hello. First time siguro ni nila. First time nila guys. It's not for the motorbike. I think that's the first time to ride here. That's why they go for wrong way. Yan. Yan. Lapit na kami makapunta sa where we live now. So dito kami talaga guys, ayan, kanina maaga kami talagang nagtatakbuhan dito guys, ayan. Tapos parang hindi naman kaya bumalik kasi mainit na kasi. So, by the next time, yeah, we plan that we're gonna go back here, back and forth. So, I think we don't have a lot of pictures and videos, just a little, because we need to run more. So, hopefully we can do that soon. That's our plan. So, guys,
Right turn that one.
oh yes, right turn. So, by the next time, guys, we will show you the back and forth running here. Back and forth running. So, hopefully, you can subscribe for the LBT. Follow me, guys, because we have a lot of videos soon. Yeah. Wherever I go, I can make a vlogs to you guys. Okay, thanks. Hopefully, you subscribe the LBT for my vlogs. Thank you guys. Bye. They have also jog, yeah, people to jog here from Cebu going to Lapu-Lapu. Look at guys. Yan. Yan. Sis, we're almost there na guys. Look at guys. Sis, sinong nagsabing hindi namin mapuntahan doon? Hindi kami maka finish line. Ayan. Yan ang CP Cebu guys. So we're almost there guys. Look at. So nice, so nice. Early in the morning walking, jogging. Ayan, ay. We're almost there na guys. Look at. Yan. That's the city of Cebu. Guys, nandito na po kami sa malapit na kami sa Cebu City. Guys, look at guys. We're almost there na. Sus. Maabutan na namin yung pinakatok sa bridge. Ayan. Ayan guys. This is our city of Cebu in the Philippines. This is Philippines guys. We are here in the Philippines. Philippines, it's really nice to travel to tourist here because it's not very expensive. A lot of tourist spots. Pictures. Nandito na kami guys. Ayan, malapit na kami sa tuktok ng pinakataas sa bridge. Ayan. Ayan. Yan yung pinaka-city dito sa Cebu. So we're almost there na guys. So feel so hot na. Starting to hot here in the Philippines. Philippines. We are here in the Philippines. We live here. Ayan. Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa Sisalex. And my girls. Good morning. Ayan. He says good morning. So, I reply to him, good morning. Yan. Malapit na kami makaano doon sa pinaka-tok-tok ng bridge here. We're almost there, guys. It's the city of Cebu.
Sige, tinagdagdwa ka cellphone yun.
So guys, we're almost there na. Yan.
Fighter. Arite? Ito po. Kaya skyline. Sige. Ano po ba skyline? Kasi skyline dahil ka ng building? Oh.
Ayan guys, we are here now at the top of the Sisilex. Oh my God. So, I reach na guys. See? So, nandito na po tayo sa sa pinakatuktok sa Sisilex Bridge here, Cebu City. Ayan guys, nandito na po tayo guys. Ayan. Nandito na po tayo sa pinakatuktok sa Sisilex. Guys, ayan, laban lang tayo guys. Ayan, kita na natin yung yung barko. Ayan. We can see the ship. Yeah, that's the shipping lines, Trans-Asia shipping lines. So ayan guys, umakyat na tayo guys. Ayan, paakyat na tayo guys. Ayan. Laban lang tayo guys, ayan. As I believe myself that I can reach the finish line there. Ayan. Guys, ayan. It's a low tide. You see guys, it's a low tide, it's not a high tide. Low tide for now, for this time. Yan yung mga kasama ko. Ayan, nandito na kami sa pinakatuktok sa Sisilex guys. Ayan. Ayan. This is a low tide for this time. Low tide. So look at guys. Ayan. Nandito na tayo sa taas guys. Ayan.
Patuloy!
Tingnan nyo guys. Ayan. Nandito na tayo sa taas. Ayan. Nandito na tayo sa taas guys. Guys, ang lakas ng hangin dito guys. Oh my God. So, nandito na po tayo sa pinakatuktok sa Sisilex. Ayan. Ang daming nag-jogging. Oh. Mga bata pa yan. Ayan. So guys, hindi tayo matatakot dito kasi may nakaharang na railings. Ayan. Ayan yung dalawang kasama ko. Nandito na tayo sa pinakatuktok sa Sisilex guys. Sisilex is located in Cebu. This is the longest bridge in the Philippines. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ito na yung city Itong Sisilix na to, papunta tong papuntang SMC side. Yan. Papuntang, yung way na to, papuntang seasides guys. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa pinaka-takas. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys. Ayan. Ganda sa taas. Lakad lang. Enjoy lang natin guys. Yung, i-feel lang natin yung natin, yung body. Kung napapagod kayo sa running, if you feel so tired now to run, so you just walk. Enjoy lang, enjoy. Just to enjoy guys. We need to relieve ourselves guys. Benefits for our health. Walking is the best exercise, and yeah, if you have problems of the heart, no need to jog guys, just only to walk, because walking is the best exercise. Ayan, dito na tayo sa ayan, show ko yung low tide kasi ngayon eh. Ayan. Ayan, tingnan nyo. May small boat there. Ayan, kasama ko yan. So, as what my friend said, that one, have a hole. It's a pool. But for now, they didn't use it. It's a small island here in Cebu. They have people also to live there. They live there also. And, oh, really? Yeah. Have a small island here. And then have a fisherman, little boat. So see guys, how nice it's Cebu. So this is City of Cebu guys. Yeah. Galing kami ng yeah, galing kami ng Lapu-Lapu, tapos nag-run kami papuntang City of Cebu because we live here in Cebu City. Yan, second bridge. Second bridge guys. This one is the third bridge. So nandito na tayo sa nasa taas na kami. Ayan. Galing pa kami doon. So clear. The water is so clear guys. Look at this. Very clear. So clear. I like it. Yeah, I have a fisherman's there. Kaya ng hangin dito guys, ang sarap. Wow, maganda yung may kasama ka dito, yung family mo, yung friends mo, or your partner, if you have your partner. So nice to walk here. Asa man ulo have a dogs there. So nagiday mga tao diya day no, nagiday nagpuyo diya day no. So, malapit na tayo doon guys. Yan. Doon tayo sa nakatuktok. We are here now, the top of the Sisilix guys.